Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download GTA 5 on your Windows PC. So first open your browser, you can use any browser, and search for Steam. So first we need to download Steam in our computer, and for that we just have to press this result, and from here we can download Steam. So just tap this option and your Steam will be downloaded. So once you have installed Steam, your Steam will look like this, and then you have to create an account. I'm pretty sure you guys can create one. So after you install Steam and create your account, Steam will look like this. Okay, so you will look like this. So this will be store library. So from the store you have to search here GTA 5, and then this will be the result. So this is the only way you can play GTA 5 without any viruses. So this is the legit and safe way. You just have to buy GTA 5 and then you will be able to enjoy the game without any virus. So yeah, that's how you download GTA 5. Just continue to payment, and after you have done your payment, your game will be appeared in your library. So then you have to just tap the game and press the install button. So that's how you download GTA 5 on your computer. Thanks for watching.